So Sumsub in a nutshell is a compliance provider. We provide a number of software solutions by a SaaS model that allows users to set up different onboarding flows or ongoing monitoring metrics to catch out fraud and to stay compliant with the regulators. That would be obviously KYC for individuals. Even within that, there's a number of differentiators we have in terms of the scope of services. We're not just talking about IDs, but wallet addresses, different kinds of crypto scans and transactional scans in crypto. On the business side, we can also then verify and onboard businesses. For anyone working B2B, you're able to then verify those entities you're operating with. And the last one, and one of the biggest features that we actually allow then, is the ongoing monitoring of crypto transactions or non-fiat transactions, along with fiat transactions too. So you can create an entire onboarding flow that's compliant with your local jurisdiction, as well as then have the infrastructure for ongoing monitoring of those users to remain compliant in the future. Because we have such a diverse range of services, obviously the people and the businesses we serve is also diverse. Traditionally, our history has been in crypto. We provide services to some of the largest crypto exchanges on the planet right now. We're great friends of the crypto industry. We love the technology, we love the blockchain. On a personal level, all the founders very much enjoy seeing the growth in this industry and the birth of Web3 and everything else. Now, in saying that though, our services can easily be applied then to more financial institutions. So any kind of traditional finance or fintech with the financial sort of curve, we have plenty of services available to them as well that will help them, again, scale their business, remain compliant, and onboard as many users as possible. So challenges are of course, plenty and dynamic. Crypto is such a fast-moving industry, such a new industry, relatively speaking, and so dynamic. Those challenges mirror that. Now, in crypto, what we often see is fraud, first and foremost. Deregulated partners work with other businesses that are regulated, and this can lead to a lot of muddling of your user base, and there's a very high risk of fraudulent behavior, money laundering, and account and identity takeover. So we see that as one of the fundamental challenges in crypto, one of the fundamental challenges in people accepting crypto and blockchain technologies. And so a lot of our services are scaled towards deepfake detection, suspicious account takeover activity, suspicious transaction behavior, and any kind of digital or synthetic fraud in the onboarding process. There's a lot of people who provide services of similar nature. A few of the key differentiators from Sumsub is that we're looking to provide a holistic user journey that covers the user from their onboarding stage to their ongoing operations and potentially end of accounts. So we're looking at the entire picture for users, not just the KYC onboarding. We're looking to provide orchestrated workflow for onboarding in multiple regions. So we live in a global world. People want to bring in users from all over the globe, and that means multi-jurisdictional requirements. And having specific workflows where specific users can go into the right kind of flow, do the right kind of checks to make sure your business remains compliant is one of the key features that we offer. Finally, we love compliance. Sumsub has a number of let's say, community initiatives. We love to produce reports. We have a great, very recent report you can find on our website on digital fraud in the crypto industry and some of the unique findings we have there. And so we are trying to stimulate knowledge of compliance and understanding of compliance. It's a very tricky area. People get confused very easily, and we want to be there to sort of promote the conversation on them as well. And so Sumsub already, it's an interesting name. It's actually short for Sum and Substance, one of our previous brands in the past. And the story of Sumsub's quite an interesting one. I mean, one of the key features of the service is that it's proprietary, and that's due to the fact that our CTO, Chief Technical Officer, is also one of the founders of the company. And the founding story of the company was essentially three brothers and our CTO, Vyatoslav, who came together and were looking for ways to detect digital fraud and photo manipulation in insurance, actually. We started off in the insurance industry. This is back in 2015. A few years down the line, we quickly discovered that our solutions are more marketable in a compliance and KYC environment, and we actually ended up pivoting just a couple years into it to provide digital identification fraud detection. And that technology that we provide, that anti-fraud, that AI basically that's backing the entire Sumsub system, was founded and built at that stage and has been developed and expanded on ever since. And since then, we've been expanding into all these different areas of compliance, into KYB and business onboarding, the transactional and fraud detection models. And, we're expecting to see more growth in those areas too. So, we're a very tech-savvy company. We love our technology. We love to talk about it just as much as we love to talk about and discuss compliance. And so there's a couple ways. First and foremost, Sumsub.com is going to have all the resources that you can find to learn more about what we do. Again, about compliance in general, maybe compliance in your country. We have plenty of case studies available to read there. More specifically, if you do want to contact us, we are looking at people who are involved in the onboarding process for your platform. So we're looking at user acquisition, risk and AML officers, compliance officers, as you would imagine, of course, as well. Even technology officers who might be interested in some of the API options we have within the Sumsub technology stacks. So any of all of them is very much appropriate. All the details can be found on our website, sumsub.com. And if you do want to dig a little further, you can also find us on docs.sumsub.com. That's docs.sumsub.com. That has a in-depth wiki on all the compliance services we offer, all the technical solutions we offer, and all the API options we offer as well.